All right, everybody, let's get loaded. Loaded French fries, that is. Beef! All right, we got half an onion here. Let's get chopping. Choppity, choopity, chippity, chippity, choppity, chippity. Whoops. How many videos is this now? I have onions in. All of them. Get in there, little guys. Then go the onions, too. Woo! Turn the heat down a tad. Probably should have mixed up that meat a little more first. Sorry, my mic keeps moving on me. What the f***? It's gonna be that kind of show, huh? Alright, ladies and gentlemen. This was supposed to be easy, but it looks like we're gonna be in for a treat today. Woo! So far, no one has been harmed in the making of this video. So far. Gonna add some salt. Gonna add some pepper. And we're gonna add just a little bit of garlic. Alright, get your favorite frozen fries of your choosing. Get them on your pan. Get in there. Should we use this whole container? No, we're gonna take some of these back. We're only gonna use about 3/4 of the bag. I wanna get them all nice and flat. In the oven they go. Okay, that looks decently brown. Alright, well, all that is going. I'm going to chop up a jalapeno. Easy way to chop up a jalapeno. Cut off the end. Give it a slice down one side here without hurting yourself. Kind of open it up. Just dig it out. Might want to use gloves for this. Helps keep that stuff off your hands. YOLO! I'll just start slicing away. There's totally probably a better way to do this. Oh well. You can finish watching me suffer. Collect up all the half jalapeno moons. I'm chopping them up really small here. For me, these are going to be a garnish. I'm not going to put them directly in the cheese sauce. That way the folks who don't like it spicy can have it mild, and the folks who like it spicy can have it spicy. Everybody wins, except for those that don't get none. Give it another I don't give a chop. Alright, we are going to place those aside as our garnish. Oh, and do not forget to wash your hands after you're done dealing with the jalapenos, the jalapenos. You will regret it later, I guarantee. That includes getting underneath your nails. Don't ask me how I know. Let's check on our beef. Looks good. Okay, I'm just kind of just cooking this longer than I normally would here. I really want these onions nice and soft. Okay, now for the cheese sauce. Nothing special here. We're just going to use some Campbell's cheddar cheese. Add a can of milk to it also. Give it a mix. I've never really used this canned cheese before. We're going to give it a taste. If this doesn't taste very good, we'll probably have to improvise a little bit. Wish us luck. Now to our ground beef here, we're going to add some barbecue sauce. We're going to add about a cup. You definitely want to add something to your ground beef, whatever you choose. Some people generally choose some sort of taco seasoning. But something to give it a little bit of sauce, give the beef a little bit of flavor. Turn the heat down some. Check on our fries here. Doing okay? Alright, well that's kind of it for now. We're just going to kind of let things, let the cooking cook. Okay folks, just keeping it real here. I've never used this Campbell's cheddar cheese before. It sucks. Gonna try to see if we can salvage it here quickly by adding some real cheddar cheese, a dash of garlic, just a dash. We don't want it to taste garlicky. We just want it to not taste like poop. I used whole milk and everything with that cheese. Even went a little under the cup just so it would be a little thicker. This is still pretty watery. Doesn't taste very good. Fries are done. I have some backup nacho sauce here, but we're trying. Honestly, I'm just not digging it. Just being real with you folks. May my mistakes work in your favor. You know what? Thank goodness we had some Rico's nacho cheese sauce sitting in there. Gave it a taste. That will do just fine for us. Kind of cheating, but so what? Such is life. Shame on you, Campbell's. Shame on you. And we almost forgot the tomato. Since this is basically a topping, I'm going to get rid of this part and some of this stuff and not use it, just because I don't think it tastes as good. You can keep it in there, you know, live life however you want. You do you. Is this the best way to chop a tomato? Probably not. I'd say definitely not. Get out of here, cat. Nobody cares, cat. Quiet on set, cat. Tomato, 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 tomato. All right, well that is loaded barbecue beef nacho fries. These are nacho fries. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you have a good day.